Hello everyone, once again I'm back on the behalf of Blue Perfect, and today I've come up with a new cue card. The cue card is describe a time when you used your imagination. Now students, for this cue card you can cook up any stories or you can come up with an imaginative idea, that is related to your personal experiences. It could be related to a time wherein you were in a difficult situation, but due to your imaginative skills, you were able to come out of it. Or it could be related to any competition or anything, maybe uh, you were at a function and you were asked to perform something at the spur of moment, so you can create anything because it's all about imagination. So as per your experiences, as per your knowledge, you can create anything in this cue card. Now, just like my previous videos, I've tried to address every question separately because it's very important that you know that in the cue card, you have to answer all the questions in more or less by giving more or less equal weightage. Because if you not do so, then what's going to happen? You're going to focus a lot more on one particular question, and in that process, you run out of ideas or you happen to repeat. Okay, and uh, also what happens that you're not able to speak for at least 2 minutes, which is, I don't think so, a difficult task. But most of students are not able to speak for at least 2 minutes. Okay, so kindly go through the slides, okay, and try to understand how I have addressed each question. This is just a sample, students. You don't have to do rote learning, you don't have to speak as it is. You can just create your own uh, ideas, your own as per your imaginative skills. Okay, so also what I'd like to mention that I've highlighted the vocabulary in red color and the connectors in blue color. Okay, so I'll get started. And as you know that we have to give an introduction and conclusion, so I've written an introduction also to this topic as well. I'll read the cue card for you so that you come to know how you need to, uh, you know, speak your cue card. You don't have to speak like a parrot or something. You have to feel the cue card. You have to express in a very effective manner that so that it sounds natural. Okay, so let's get started. Describe a time when you used your imagination. Imagination is a part and parcel of a thought process. It is also imperative to imagine before executing any task in order to procure desired results. And if I talk one particular moment where I happen to earn laurels due to my imaginative skills, then it is in the context of a competition. When it was. If you are sure of the if you aren't sure of the date, okay, then you can talk like I'm afraid. But if you're sure, then you can choose the second option, okay, as per your choice. So, I'm afraid I fail to remember the exact date. However, the month and the year are pretty vivid in my mind. It was in December, way back in 2018, when I was in 11th class. Somewhere at the beginning of this month, the competition had taken place. Or you can also say, oh, how can I forget the date? This competition had taken place on my birthday, which falls as per the date of your birthday. You can mention on the same day in 2018, this competition had taken place. Here I got a chance to portray my exceptional thinking skills. So obviously, students, we don't forget our birthday. So that's why I mentioned, oh, how can I forget the date? Understood? So whatever whichever option you want to choose, students, you can choose. No problem. Next question. Where you were? The competition was held in my school itself. That's, for example, Little Blossom schools or Innocent Art schools. So, in whichever school you have studied, you can mention that, which is a renowned school of the city, Jalandhar. Every student was asked to display their talent in the classroom. What you thought of? Actually, I was supposed to speak for 5 minutes on any topic. Initially, I was a bit jittery, or you can also say, initially, I had butterflies in my stomach as I wasn't prepared for it at all. But then I wore my thinking cap and started thinking on the topics of which I have sound knowledge. And eventually, I made up my mind to go with the topic best out of waste. I chose it because it's the best way to get rid of waste that's available in distinct forms in the environment. So here you can choose any topic. It could be drawing or anything, students. When I started off, I just imagined the things created by my mother. She has always tried her best to refurbish the old items into utterly new ones, to an extent that it is almost impossible to guess. For example, my mother has used old bottles to decorate our terrace garden by painting them in exquisite colors. Also, the old bed sheets are used as rugs and doormats. How can I forget to mention my jeans, which are her handbags now? Likewise, many more things are created by her. While I was speaking, I got carried away in my mother's creativity that I didn't realize that my classmates and my class teacher were applauding my performance. Fortunately, I was able to grab the second position, thanks to my mother for passing her imaginative skills on to me. All I can say is if you have a good presence of mind and ability to think out of box, then it's quite possible to create wonders in any field. So this was just a sample, students. So likewise, you can create your own cue card, okay, related to this topic, okay, or if you want, you can take some basic ideas from this, okay. Regarding the vocabulary and connectors, I've already mentioned. You can take the help of the dictionary and all. I can get and you can get to know what are the exact meanings of those words. Okay. If you have any query, you can always contact us. Okay. We also provide classes for IELTS. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Take care. Bye bye. And all the best.